Jamaican ghost stories that will keep you up at night. The hearse driver. Full story. A man was working as a hearse driver to take care of his family. One day he got a job to transport a body to a funeral. The funeral ended, and the casket was to be transported to the gravesite. When the hearse was loaded and ready to go, the driver felt a weird feeling, almost like he was not alone. He drove off and was on his way when he heard a faint knocking coming from the casket.
Follow Jamaican true stories.
He ignored it, blaming it on something being wrong with the hearse itself. As he drew closer to the gravesite, the knocking became louder and louder. He started to feel true fear creep up behind him, causing the hairs on the back of his neck to stand at attention. When the sound got too loud, he felt the urge to park up, abandon the car and run Gaham yard. But he had to keep it together. He didn't want to lose the only source of income for his household. He kept it together but pressed on the gas a little harder. When he finally arrived at the site, he called his boss, who told him that there was nothing to be afraid of and that these things sometimes happens. He bit his tongue and kept his cool. He needed the job. The family came and everything was a rush. The woman was put to rest, but that experience stuck with that driver even to this day.
Like, follow, and share Jamaican true stories for more.